Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Creating a tutorial about determining the type of an object from a UDP buffer in Python using metaclasses and reflection is an interesting topic. In this tutorial, we'll cover the following steps. Let's dive into each step. Metaclasses in Python allow you to define the behavior of classes. Reflection is the ability of a program to examine and modify its structure and behavior at runtime. Combining metaclasses and reflection, you can create custom behaviors for classes based on their structure and attributes. To receive UDP data, you can use Python's built-in socket module. Here's a basic example of how to receive UDP data. Received UDP data is usually in the form of bytes. You'll need to deserialize this data into Python objects. You can use a protocol like JSON or Pickle for this purpose. Now, let's create a metaclass that allows us to identify the type of an object from the UDP data. We will use a simple example with two classes, person and car, and a metaclass to identify them based on certain attributes. In this example, we define a serializable base class and use the object identifier metaclass to add a type_identifier attribute to classes that inherit from it. Now, let's put everything together with a code example to demonstrate how to identify objects from UDP data. In this example, we receive UDP data, deserialize it, and identify the object type using the type_identifier. Based on the type identifier, we create instances of the corresponding classes, example person or car, and use them accordingly. This tutorial provides a basic example of how to use metaclasses and reflection to identify objects from UDP data in Python. You can expand and customize this approach to suit your specific use case. ChatGPT.